Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe, wheat shira. This can also be called as a sapa nived. This is usually made as a prasad during Satyanarayana Puja. So let's see how to make this recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button, and when it turns grey, press the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 1 ripe banana chopped, 1 cup of broken wheat rava, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of milk, 1 cup of homemade ghee, 1 cup of water, and some dry fruits for garnishing. Firstly, to begin with, we are going to add some ghee to a thick bottom vessel. Ghee roast the broken wheat rava until it turns aromatic. Once your rava is ghee roasted, move it to another vessel, and in the same kadai we can add water and milk. Once the milk comes to the boiling temperature, we are going to add the broken wheat rava, which was previously ghee roasted. We are going to add the 1 cup of ghee in batches. Keep mixing and cook all throughout in medium flame so that it's cooked evenly. Add the chopped bananas. Once your shira is half done, add the leftover ghee to it and keep cooking in medium flame. Keep cooking until the milk is evaporated and the ghee starts separating from your shira. Now your nived is ready. You can stop cooking it further and can garnish it with some dry fruits of your choice. You can even add cardamom powder. It is completely optional. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.